But what if at the moment you have no disability except for the age? Okay?
That's a good question.
How do you plan in advance?
Guess
you don't
what?
qualify right now.
Right now, if you're over the age of 65,
It's not like you're paying a separate insurance. People do that.
you can apply for Medicaid. And you don't have to apply for Medicaid that has the long-term care component, the home care and the MLTC. You can just provide, you can apply for Medicaid cover for the health insurance component alone. And then later on, if you need the home care, you can apply for the home care. But you can have that Medicaid as a secondary insurance.
How can someone, and I think the majority of us who have a pension are over 65, so we have Medicare. How are you going to apply for a second?
You are allowed to apply for a second insurance. You can go to Medicaid and say, I would like to apply for Medicaid. You have high income. I only have $15,000 in my bank account, and my IRA is exempt. So you qualify. And Medicaid is going to give you a letter. You are approved for Medicaid, and you have a surplus. A lot of people get that notification, and they think it's a denial. But it's an actual approval because it's like 20 pages long. And when you get that notification, you can actually activate that Medicaid any month you need it, but you have it. And how you just activate it every month. Let's just say the month of November, you become really sick. We open up an income pool trust for that month, and we activate your account for that month. So you can actually, we have clients like that. They actually applied, they haven't activated the Medicaid. They're leaving it there in the event that they need to activate it. Nobody over the age of 65 on a fixed income with high income should never ever be denied Medicaid. Remember I said so. And if you are, call me.